Hi, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to make quick and easy holiday gift card holders. So this is what it looks like, and you just slide your gift card right in here. You can write your little personalized message there, and they go together so quick and easy. So let me first show you the supplies that I used for the cards that I made. I used some Lawn Fawn paper pads and some stamps. So the pads that I used are some papers from the Peace, Love, and Joy collection, and you can see how pretty these papers are. I love the quality of Lawn Fawn papers. These are their 6x6 pads, adorable, and also some papers from Snowy Day. And this is the stamp set that I used. I used these little critters on the Say What Christmas Critters stamps and dies. So what you will need is a regular sheet of 8.5 and 11 cardstock to cut your cards. You're going to cut the card at 3.5, and you will keep it at the 11-inch length. You'll get 2 card bases out of 1 sheet of cardstock. And this is about 100 weight, 100-pound weight. You could use 100, 110, anything that you would use to make your normal cards. Then once you have that sheet cut, you're going to go ahead and score it at 4 3/4. And then you're going to do a second score at 1.5. So once you scored those, you're going to go ahead and fold. Just crease that down on the score line. And the 1.5, you're going to go ahead and crease that. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and take your favorite adhesive. I'm just using a tape runner. You can use score tape if you'd like. You're just going to put some adhesive on each corner of that 1.5, and then you're going to press it down. And you might want to take your bone folder in that case and make sure that it's good and burnished there and along the crease. That's going to hold your gift card. And then it's just as simple as going ahead and decorating it. If you want to, if you're using a color cardstock and not a white, you may want to cut a small strip to add your sentiment. And usually that's about 1/4 inch smaller than the actual base. And then you can decorate however you like. And then of course your gift card would then just slide right in the pocket like that. So it's just that easy to put together an adorable little gift card holder. And now I'll show you some of the ones that I made. And this is the first one that I showed you, just says Happy Holidays. Now the great thing about that Lawn Fawn, those Lawn Fawn pads that I showed, is that they did come with some cut-aparts that had these little holiday sentiments. Some actually were like tags, and they had the to and from. And as I said, that's exactly where the gift card goes. Here's another one. And they don't have to be for holiday. Of course, you can use these for any occasion that you would give a gift card. And you can decorate them any way you like. And this is the last one. So I made 5. I used a little to from stamp there. And that's where the gift card slides in. So quick and easy, and I think they're adorable. I hoped you like seeing those. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you're making some gift card holders this season. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.